Sanibonani ma South Africa. Niyezwa mara lento esikhala ngayo sonke la eSouth Africa ukuthi kena uRamaphosa usibulele madoda. Nithi iniphezu kwalokho. Wena Ramaphosa abantu mabakhala ngawe right through uzwa njani enhlizweni yakho? Khona manje khona umuntu ofile nomntwana abulawa amabhiskito amakula. Base clinic bafele khona. Uthini mara? Uringi abana babathu wena. Uringi. Enhle king uthabetsing king into ithabetsing. O santse ruja hamnato wena bana ba bang ba phila abuhlungu ka baka lao. Ramaphosa king wa o sa tlogele isitulo se kwa mara. Yini ungasiyekeli nje uhlale phansi. Uyazi uyasibulala wena ndoda. Uphizi nathi nje. Uphizi nathi bamkhonazi ngoba sukuthembile nawe uthini njengoba kwenzeka kanje. Ngicela ukubuza kuwe ake ungiphendule ukuthi uthini kona manje ukuthembele imali ukuthi uzothatha imali anikeze abantu makuthiwa siyenza imatch akhiphane nezimali anikeze abantu adizela abantu ukuthi bayekelele kona manje ama drugs abantwana bafile kona manje makufa thina ukuthi lo mhlaba ufile yena uyonika laba abanika bona bangaphandle kanti why Ramaphosa uliso why ungwana mangwena mara why uliso enhleke thina sikhathele wesicela nje ake uphume kithi tu phuma kithi
uxela amaSomali batsaba
khona manje amaSomali ahamba ngemoto ahamba dubula abantu kumnandi emayifake kudutshuliwe kwabulawa abantu wena uthengisa ngeSouth Africa wena uyathengisa ngayo wena uyathengisa nangikwazi ukuthi umhlobo bani isiphambano yazi angikwazi ukuthi umhlobo bani Ramaphosa ake usiyekele tu awuphume kithi before thina sukukhipha ngoba uyazi ukuthi kena khona manje makwenziwa so uthembele imali abakubhejela ngazo engathi umfazi uyigay or uyina ngikwazi mina why uyenza so mara awuyekele lo mhlaba wabantu tu awuyekele man awuphume man abantu bafuze bakhale ngawo until nini phuma kulento le uyiyo man awuyekele lo mhlaba wabantu why ufuze uyenze so uthengise ngelizwe mara wena ngishilo nakuthanga ngathi kena uthwele ngabantu uthwele ngeSouth Africa ulipuleletsi ka South Africa urena urweli ka yona why awuhlukane nalo mhlaba sicela uhlukane nalo mhlaba awuyeke lo mhlaba tu awuyeka uphume wonke umuntu ukhala ngawo yini indaba ngawe mara ufuna ukubona kwenzekeni la emhlabeni ngenxa yakho hayi man sikhathele uwe manawo sikhathele uwe awuphume manawo wazinto engarile hoba le awuxoxele naga yethu awuphume kiyo awuphume nje phuma ndoda hamba siyakubonga sicela uhambe hawu ubizi ubulala abantwana babantu bayafa ngenxa yakho wena ujabulile uphila kamnandi nezingane zakho nefamily yakho uthi inqala abanye abantu abafayo sicela uhlukane nalelizwe tu siyakucela awuphume phuma kulelizwe udizile nangemali wathatha imali wadiza ngayo sicela uphume yekela lo mhlaba nje ubunje awuyeke phuma kiwo siyakucela awuphume awu ngifuna ukunitshela nani ma Nigeria nani ma Zimbabwe or bani all of you manibona umuntu wase South Africa ngale mshayeni awukwazi umuntu nomuntu akahlale kulizwe lakibo mshayeni ningamyeki funa ukubona lo Ramaphosa lokuthi uyenzani ngabantu nibhizi nithengisa ngelizwe manazi niyalithengisa nicabanga amagazi abantu achithekile ngo1976 anicabangi ni awunanto inana unana 3 state out yaphere ntweko ba unyaka limalo bu Messi zanyandi khoje yakho abarkumang president ulo uwanto ukufunile lo president ukufuna kabi bowuthukile njengoba uye America uTrump bakaloke ukushaya kancane ngempama fuza kuphinde Terry Plant where are you just come and take your pick man Sikathele yilo muntu. Akeze man, akeze uTrump. Ukhona uTrump wena ubalekile le. Hluleka nokuya etoilet. Abhiza kubambele konyeni akuqinile. Cabanga ukuthi asisazi isitori sakho. And ukutshelile usazokubamba ulento. Cabanga kubiza yena mina uTrump. Trump mangeza nje wena usekakeni wena. Ngiyakutshela. That's why ngithi yekela lo mhlaba wabantu. Phuma kulo mhlaba. Please don't do that shit you doing. Awucabangela abantu wena. Please. Hlukana ma South Africa ngicela nakheni akhani lento ni efuthi yakhiwe. Sisebenze once malichitheke igazi once alichitheke. Achitheke kuphelile. Niyabona noma ningathi niyalincenga mara kuphelile. Asichitheni igazi once lichitheke igazi. Sibonwe mangabe uyasivalela Ramaphosa ngoba usifanisa nale iphalaphala zakhe lezi azifuyile le Limpopo. Sizobona ukuthi uzosiyenza njengoba afuna ukuthi siyenze izitonzela. Ngiyabonga. Ngicela ma South Africa asebenzeni kubonakala. Asebenzeni sibonakala. Ngibongile.
Hey, my friends. Hey, my friend. People are talking about kids dying, my friend. With yay. See, my friend, in the year 2024, President Cyril Ramaphosa addressed the South African nation. See, I'm a South African. See, and what had happened was, friends, 15 November, the president said that children had died and an investigation was conducted where so many relevant departments, experts conducted raids, and the health department, the National Institute of Communicable Diseases, and then they sent the samples to the National Health Laboratory Service. The South African Police Service was also there, my friend. You see, what they found out was on the children that had died, they had traces of something called Tebufos, which is an organophosphate pesticide that is used for rats, which is highly toxic. And for a growing child, it is very, very bad, you see. And if we look at the sad symptoms, we have to, I think I left my phone. We have to look at that the symptoms that were experienced by the kids was, if you come across this substance, it will, one, lungs will fill with fluid and airways will spasm. So respiratory failure, meaning your lungs cannot put in oxygen. This is why when they were doing post-mortem on the children, babies, because I'm young as 6 years old, 2026 alone, there's a child in Miss Kawin, she was 3 years old. The lips were purple. The skin was purple. Excessive secretion of fluids such as foaming at the mouth, drooling, tears, urination. This is what was happening, my friend. Vomiting, diarrhea, severe muscle twitching. So imagine as a parent, this is happening to your child and my friend says, Mwim. And this was found right next to the snacks. So negligence, my friend. You see, my friend, when you speak of evidence, there's something called circumstantial evidence, which says if Zibani was here at this time and this house was broken into at this time and Zibani was sitting there at this time, Jiggy Zibani has the same shoes as that guy, but there's no camera evidence. It's logical connection with IBO 123, my friend. Where's my phone? Oh, there's my phone over there. So, my dear friend, Proverbs 18 verse 13. Anyone who answers without listening is foolish and confused. Why are we saying this, my friend? It's because, you see, in South Africa, there's something called the freedom of expression, section 16 of the Constitution. Access to information, section 32 of the Constitution. The Prior Act 2 of 2000, which means, I can access information. And as Ngumzulu face, I don't just speak, you don't just speak. out of emotions, yeah, so you speak on things that are founded, my friend. My friend, because the fact that they call you my friend, I don't see you addressing the fact that you are in South Africa and nothing has happened to you and you're living a full life. My friend, the fact that you are able to have a store and speak in South Africa is because by the show about Faith, she was born in South Africa. The fact that she has rights, you have rights to have a store, is the Refugees Act Section 27, which gives you the same rights as South Africans except voting. But I don't see you addressing that South Africans are not xenophobic. But I know no one who is hostile that will say my friend, my friend. So my friend, you see me, I'm a South African. I live in another country, but I won't say things about this country because it's none of my business, my friend. So my friend, I owe you no money. I will go there. My friend, I'm not afraid of you, my friend. Yes, but I know. Because 84 of them, they even found a substance called aldicarb, which was banned in 2016 in South Africa, but they found it in 2024. So now if they find such things, my friend, is it possible that even if the cabinet actually banned now Itebuforce, is it possible that Nseni Kipile told us, my friend, my friend, what Musubeuza, my friend, Valmlom of this? Ngavela ukhulume nosasazi mfethu ngavela ukhulume nje ngeconfidence uthi yabona mfethu mina mfethu my friend mfethu hayi kahle ke my friend kahle no full sense promise one time paid in full, turn this TV off, mark your mom to my friend, ngakhuluma too much, ngakhuluma kakhulu emzini yabantu mfethu mina I'm in another country. I would never say anything about this country because none of my business mfethu. I made business. I'm coming into a spaza shop here. See, there's no foreigner working here. When you're working in South Africa as a foreigner, I'll show you, my friend.
Uyabona ama-South Africans akamfuni uRamaphosa ngoba ayamazi basisikhohlakali sentsha, umuntu ongenanhliziyo ongakhetha imali kunama-South Africans uRamaphosa. Bathi abantu eMarikane becela imali u12,500 beyicela njengomphathi wasemine njengomlungu wabo, wabiza amaphoyisa mababulawa abantu kuhlo kwezintsha ngoba uRamaphosa inhliziyo yakanayo. Ama-South Africans ayamazi uRamaphosa. Yabona akekho sopolitiki oclose noRamaphosa othandwa ngama-South Africans. That must tell you something. Akekho sopolitiki oclose noRamaphosa othandwa ngama-South Africans ngoba bayazi ba close noRamaphosa uyayefana nawo zoba sisikhohlakali sentsha esingenanhliziyo esingenandaba nabantu. Awunothulwela abantu ke uyodibana noRamaphosa oradical. Ngosobuya so soft, so yamncoma, so yamthanda, ucinge babantu abazoquestion abuthi abalwela. Bathi abanye xa bebuza imibuzo edom kanti benhlanganisani nithi ngizingibana akho umuntu athe uthengisiwe lapha zilima. Akho umuntu athe uthengisiwe. Kodwa kumele wazi ukuthi na ama-South Africans aziva kanjani ngoRamaphosa. Yabo, and xa uthumela abantu, or you seems to be fighting for abantu, bazoquestion abantu because uthumele bona nje. Kumele bangaquestion abantu, uthumele bona uthi abalwele. Yabo, uRamaphosa akafuna South Africans. 60% imajority yam-rejecta. 60% abantu abarejecta uRamaphosa, only 40% yavota uRamaphosa. Akuyo majority ke leyo. IGNU yasinikeza uRamaphosa, not South Africans. uRamaphosa akakhethwa ngentando yeningi. uRamaphosa akavotelwa ngabantu ba South Africa ukuze aphathe. President weGNU.
Hello good people, welcome back to this channel. If you are new here, please make sure you do the right thing. You press that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Good people, please comment your thought below. Tell us what do you think after watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Kulongile, bye. See you on the next one.